Here is the carry-on. It is extremely lightweight, which I love. It's got a textured ABS plastic, kind of a cool color too. It's not a bright red, it's kind of more of a mauve. You have 4 bumpers at the bottom so that if you bring and drop it on its side, it's going to not then scratch the bottom. You have the handle at the top as well as the lift handle, which you just hold the button and it can go up and down. So that works very well. And then you have a handle on the side here as well. Now it's a 3-number combination. I'm going to cover up my combination here, and then you just lift the button to unlock. So it's the actual tabs for the zipper that handle the combination. You have to have the combination set in order to reconnect. So that was an interesting thing where it will not allow you to put these in if the combination is not set. It's very easy to set your own combination. They give you instructions and there's just a little button that you push with a pen and you set your combination and then you lift this and then boom, your combination is set. And again, then you have to have the combination set to open, but you also have to have the combination set to put these back in here. I didn't think that was a great idea, but that's how you have to do it. But then after it's in, if I change these, and now I cannot open it. But there is then a pinhole for TSA if they need to get in and you don't have the combination. So there is that security feature there. Okay, I need to go ahead and put my combination back in so I can open this up. I'm going to do that and that. There we go. And then I'm going to just change it while I open this. So you've got really long tags. So just keep that in mind. They're not short tags. And then I'm going to open this up and bring it out like this so that you can kind of see the inside. And you have the strap that can hold in the items here. And then up here, you've got a front piece here. And then you can open this up and you've got all of this area here with a nice fabric around it. It's a nice soft fabric as well. Zippers seem to work really well. With the wheels, you get the 4 wheels, and what you have to do is that there's a button on the corner and you have to press the button down and put the wheel in, and then it snaps in, and so now it's in place. Then if you want to take the wheel off, again, you just have to press down really hard and then you can take it out. The only flaws that I saw was that there is a long string. I don't know how well you can see it, but I've got long strings here as part of the thread line, so I'm going to cut those off. But the other thing that I'm concerned about is the zipper that runs along here. For some reason, let me bring this down here. For some reason, it's, I don't see how I have a tab to pull the zipper, and it's opening up without me doing anything. So I'm not crazy about that. So as you can see, I can just move this and it's opening on its own. There's that string. Hopefully I'm capturing all this in the video. So I'm going to play with this. I'll report more of it with my review. But the overall construction does appear to be very good. I've looked at all the stitching along here, along the edges. Everything really looks quite good. So the only thing I'm concerned with is down here. So I'm going to play with that and report on it. But overall, this is really looking to be quite a good quality suitcase. You have more instructions here. You have 2-year warranty information here. QR code. So they seem very committed to good customer service as well.
pretty light blue. Is
I might have a picture. Was it on my fish set?
yeah. Because we're thinking about light blue and white, right?
Yeah.
Because I think my other